to Intelligence Gateway.
Hello! Today we are going to learn Lecture 9 of Angular Complete Guide. Lecture 9 is Angular Material. In this, we will learn about Introduction to Angular Material, installing and configuring Angular Material, using material components and styles, dialogues, snack bars, and other material features, customizing and theming Angular Material. Conclusion. Introduction to Angular Material. Welcome everyone to this exciting presentation on Angular Material. Today, we will explore the benefits and features of this amazing framework that can help you build beautiful, responsive web applications. Angular Material is a UI component library that provides a set of reusable and customizable UI components, such as buttons, cards, dialog boxes, and more. With Angular Material, you can easily create consistent and visually appealing user interfaces. What's more, it integrates seamlessly with Angular, making it easy to use and learn for developers who are already familiar with Angular. Installing and configuring Angular Material. To get started with Angular Material, you first need to install and configure it. The process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few steps. First, you will need to install the Angular Material package using npm. Once installed, you will need to import the required modules into your application and add them to your app module imports array. Finally, you will need to include the material design styles in your project by adding a link to the material theme style sheet in your index.yml file. Using material components and styles. Angular Material provides a wide range of components and styles that can be used to create beautiful and functional user interfaces. Some of the most commonly used components include buttons, cards, forms, and navigation menus. These components are designed to work seamlessly together and can be easily customized to match the branding of your application. In addition to the standard components, Angular Material also provides a set of advanced features such as theming, typography, and animations. These features allow you to create truly unique and engaging user experiences that will delight your users and keep them coming back for more. Dialogues, snack bars, and other material features. Dialogues, snack bars, and tooltips are some of the key material features that can greatly enhance the user experience of an Angular application. Dialogues are pop-up windows that can be used to display important information or prompt the user for input. Snack bars are small notifications that appear at the bottom of the screen, while tooltips provide additional information when the user hovers over an element. All of these features are easy to implement in Angular Material and can be customized to match the branding of your application. Customizing and theming Angular Material. Customizing and theming Angular Material is an essential aspect of building a successful web application. With Angular Material, it's easy to create a consistent look and feel for your app that matches your brand identity. In this section, we'll explore the different ways you can customize and theme Angular Material to make it your own. One way to customize Angular Material is by using CSS. You can modify the default styles of material components by adding custom CSS rules. Another option is to use pre-built themes that are available in Angular Material. These themes provide a quick and easy way to change the look and feel of your app without having to write any CSS code. Additionally, you can create your own custom themes by defining your own color palettes and typography. Conclusion. In conclusion, Angular Material is a powerful and versatile framework that offers a wide range of benefits and features to developers. We have explored how to install and configure Angular Material, use its components and styles, and customize and theme it to match the branding of your application. We also discussed some of the unique material features such as dialogues, snack bars, and tooltips, which can greatly enhance the user experience of your application. By using Angular Material, you can save time and effort while creating beautiful and functional web applications.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.